Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you start taking turmeric every day? Well, get ready to discover the incredible powers of this often overlooked spice. In today's video, we're diving deep into the wonders of turmeric, uncovering its amazing benefits and exploring how it can completely transform your health in ways you never even imagined. Number 1. Turmeric and brain health. Imagine if the remarkable benefits of turmeric went beyond its ability to add color and flavor to your favorite meal. What if this humble spice held the key to protecting your brain against one of the most dreaded diseases of our time, Alzheimer's? Alzheimer's disease, an unwelcome intruder in our lives, relentlessly erodes the functions of the intricate network of nerve cells in our brains. It disrupts our memory, thought processes, and behavior, leaving behind confusion and despair. Unfortunately, there is currently no absolute cure for this merciless disease. However, what if the solution lies not in complex medications, but in a simple kitchen ingredient? And here is where turmeric is stepping into the spotlight for its potential to slow down or even prevent the development of Alzheimer's. An exciting research published in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry revealed remarkable findings. In this study, elderly individuals without dementia took a 90 mg curcumin supplement, the active compound in turmeric, twice daily for 18 months. The results were astounding, showing significant improvements in memory and overall cognitive function. Who could have imagined that the solution to some of our greatest health concerns could be found right in our kitchen? Number 2. Daily turmeric may protect your heart. Heart disease holds the unfortunate title of being the leading cause of global mortality, and according to the WHO, claiming a staggering 18 million lives every year. In the face of such a daunting statistic, it's fascinating to consider that this humble spice could be a shield for our hearts. Surprisingly, multiple studies suggest that incorporating turmeric into our lives in various forms may help reduce the risk of heart disease. Let's dive a little deeper into this captivating topic. A study conducted in Thailand and published in the International Journal of Cardiology revealed that turmeric has the potential to prevent both arterial and ventricular arrhythmias, keeping our heartbeat steady and regular. But that's not all. Researchers have also found that turmeric's active compound, curcumin, possesses powerful antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in our blood vessels, reducing the risk of plaque buildup and improving overall cardiovascular health. It's truly remarkable how this vibrant spice can contribute to our heart's well-being. By incorporating turmeric into our daily routines, we can take a proactive step towards maintaining a healthy heart and reducing the risks associated with heart disease. Number 3. Turmeric could support the fight against cancer. Did you ever think that a simple spice in your kitchen could hold the key to fighting against a dreaded disease like cancer? It's truly fascinating. It appears that countries where turmeric is commonly used in everyday meals actually have lower rates of cancer. That's why this interesting discovery has caught the attention of scientists worldwide. Imagine a massive library filled with over 13,000 medical studies, all focusing on curcumin and how it affects our bodies. A recent report published in the journal Nutrients confirmed this incredible fact. And get this, a whopping 37% of those studies were specifically looking into turmeric's potential as a cancer treatment. The findings? They were overwhelmingly positive and encouraging. The experts who reviewed all these studies concluded that turmeric could be an effective weapon in the fight against cancer. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are known to contribute to the development of cancer, and curcumin's ability to reduce inflammation and neutralize harmful free radicals can help protect against cancer formation. It's absolutely mind-blowing to think that such a simple spice in our kitchen cabinets could hold such promising power in our battle against cancer. Number 4. Daily turmeric may help manage depression. In a world where millions of people are dealing with depression, adding something natural to your daily routine might just give your mental health a much-needed boost. That's where our humble yet powerful hero, turmeric, comes into play. Being a natural antioxidant, turmeric has shown neuroprotective effects, which means it may help protect the brain from damage and support its overall health. It is also known that turmeric has been found to increase the production of brain-derived neurotropic factor, a protein that plays a crucial role in promoting the growth and survival of brain cells. Low levels of BDNF have been associated with conditions like depression, and by increasing BDNF levels, turmeric may have a positive impact on mental health. However, it's important to note that this doesn't mean you should replace your prescribed antidepressants with turmeric. Any changes to your treatment plan, including incorporating natural remedies like turmeric, should always be done under the guidance of your doctor. So, while turmeric shows promise as a natural way to support mental well-being, remember to consult your healthcare professional to explore the right options for you. Number 5. Daily turmeric may provide relief from arthritis symptoms. Are your joints causing you discomfort or pain, making those everyday movements a challenge? You're not alone, because arthritis affects millions of people worldwide. What you may find interesting is that there are more than 100 different types of arthritis, each with its own triggers and causes. However, they all share a common enemy: inflammation. Inflammation leads to pain, swelling, stiffness, and limited mobility in your joints. But here's some exciting news. Turmeric possesses potent anti-inflammatory powers that can be your ally in the battle against arthritis. Curcumin inhibits various molecules and enzymes involved in the inflammatory response, such as cytokinase and COX-2, which contribute to pain and swelling in the joints. By suppressing these inflammatory pathways, turmeric can help reduce joint inflammation and provide relief from arthritis symptoms. To add up, in a fascinating report published in the Journal of Medicinal Foods, researchers compared the pain-relieving abilities of turmeric with common non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like diclofenac and ibuprofen. They analyzed a wide range of studies investigating arthritis pain and the effectiveness of various treatments. Can you guess what they discovered? Turmeric supplements demonstrated impressive results, effectively reducing arthritis symptoms comparable to popular over-the-counter and prescription pain relievers. While it offers great benefits, excessive intake may lead to gastrointestinal upset for some individuals. Number 6. Daily turmeric may help regulate cholesterol levels. When it comes to managing your cholesterol levels, you might not expect a humble spice to be your ally. But here's the surprising truth. Turmeric has once again proven its worth, this time in the realm of cholesterol management. Whether you're aiming to lower LDL, the notorious bad cholesterol that can clog your arteries, or boost HDL, the good cholesterol that helps remove LDL from your arteries, turmeric could be the secret weapon you've been looking for. A fascinating study published in the archives of the Indian Journal of Physiology and Pharmacology sheds light on the cholesterol-balancing benefits of turmeric. The study revealed that a daily dose of 500 milligrams of curcumin could make a significant impact. Imagine a remarkable 33% increase in HDL cholesterol, along with nearly 12% decrease in the total serum cholesterol. These findings showcase the impressive potential of this humble spice. So why not give it a try and unlock the hidden powers of turmeric? As we discovered the wonderful benefits of turmeric and health advantages of incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, let me know in the comments section what you think about these turmeric benefits and if you're going to try it. And while you consider it, perhaps this video about the foods to avoid if you have arthritis will make you consider it.